I'm very pleased to inform everyone that the we, along with the council, have made a proper system to ensure that the employees receive their salary by first of every month. So for the last month, for the month of October, there were some delays because there were a lot of systems that were being put in place also, including proper documentation of the account numbers, including proper making of the salary statements, etc. So now that system has been put in place where we can release the salary by first of every month for all the employees of the council. So this time also, yesterday itself, we had submitted to the banks, and banks have already released the salaries of almost all the employees. So I'm very happy to announce that the system is there, and from now for every month, the salary will be released on the first of every month. Yeah. So the total number of employees that is there is who get the salaries around 1,300, and so now they have received the salary for November month. So last month they got the salary for October month. So, but as I said, there was some delay. So by the end of the month they could get by the end of the November month. But this time we have submitted the list of all the employees was prepared by council, and that was already sent to the bank yesterday, and they have already started receiving. Almost most of them is cleared. I think from council, our secretary will be able to give a clear picture on that. But no, almost most of it is cleared. Because there were some account number issues also. There were some employees whose there was some mistake in the IFSC code or account numbers while the council was making their salary statements. So money could not go into their account. So ultimately all those were rectified and submitted to the bank also. So most of these issues have been sorted out. So 7 crore is the amount. So as per the salary statements that have been prepared by the council, so the amount comes to roughly around 7 CR. So that is the salary that has been released to them, and that is the money that is dispersed every month from the government to the council for making sure that it is done timely.